The Russian Spring Punch is a fruity and refreshing cocktail that combines the sharpness of vodka with the sweetness of cassis and the effervescence of sparkling wine. It's a widely appreciated cocktail known for its balanced flavor profile and eye-catching presentation. You will need the following ingredients: 25 milliliters vodka, 25 milliliters Crème de Cassis, blackcurrant liqueur, 10 milliliters, fresh lemon juice, preferably freshly squeezed, 10 milliliters, simple syrup, 1.1 ratio of sugar and water, 50 to 100 milliliters, sparkling wine, chilled, such as champagne or prosecco, lemon wheel. As an optional garnish, for equipment you will need cocktail shaker, strainer, jigger or measuring tool, highball glass, bar spoon, ice cubes. Here are the instructions. Fill the cocktail shaker with ice cubes. Pour the vodka, crème de cassis, fresh lemon juice, and simple syrup into the shaker. Shake well until the mixture is chilled. Strain the mixture into a highball glass filled with ice cubes. Top up with chilled sparkling wine. Stir gently with a bar spoon to combine. Garnish with a lemon wheel if desired. The Russian Spring Punch was created by Dick Bradsell, a renowned British bartender, who is also famous for inventing other classic cocktails such as the espresso martini. This cocktail was designed to be both visually appealing and flavorful, effectively embodying the balance and elegance often sought in mixed drinks.